Hello, I am Mr. Mohammed Fareed. Today, we are going to learn about means of communication. In the past, people used smoke signals or birds to send messages to each other. Today, we use technology like electronic devices to help us send messages. Now, we are going to learn about some modern ways we use to communicate today. An email is a digital form of a letter. We send these electronic messages using electronic devices. You must have an email account to send these kinds of messages. An instant message, or IM, is a message that you can send on a social media platform. An IM is private, so only the person you send it to can see it.
Wow, that's cool.
A presentation is a way to share information with others. When you give a presentation, you explain something by talking about it. A website is a homepage on the World Wide Web. Users can access websites from different electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Websites are usually about one topic, and people can explore them anytime.
Wow, that's so cool. Yeah.
A blog is a special kind of website. It usually belongs to one person who posts information regularly for others to read. There are blogs about many topics like sports or cooking. A vlog is similar to a blog, but people post videos instead of written texts. Vlogs let people share their experiences visually for others to enjoy and learn from. Now you know the different ways we communicate, from old methods to modern technology. Keep exploring and using these tools to share your ideas.